This guy I know said to me, Jaimie, why are you always making life so hard for yourself? If you want to build a guest house, why don't you hire some people to do it? That way you're not killing yourself all the time. And I thought, well, that's a great idea. So I went and got a job and started making enough money that I could hire some people to build my guest house for me. But then as I was sitting around at this job, I kind of started getting fat. So I was like, all right, I need to start going to a gym. Started working a bit of overtime so I could afford a gym membership and the extra gas to drive to the gym and back. But it worked out, you know, I started getting back in shape. And then I was like, you know what? I could really save a lot of time and money if I just made a home gym. So I canceled my gym membership, stopped spending so much money on gas, and used that money instead to get some home gym equipment. And then I was in my home gym working out, sweating and lifting these weights and putting them back down and lifting them up and putting them back down. And then I looked out the window. I saw this pile of rocks. And I thought, well, why don't I just go out and pick those up and put them where they need to go? So I just started doing it myself.